Dear students, I am one of your teachers from Government Girls High School, Wilgam. Today, I am present in an offline class for you. My topic is human resources from the social science subject of class 8th. It is included in the geography part of this subject. In previous classes, we have discussed so many things related to human resources. We are doing things as per our syllabus. I hope that you will be keenly and interestingly listening to what is delivered to you from this end for the improvement of your knowledge and for helping you in preparing yourselves for the forthcoming examination. Today, I am going to tell you that what is the effect of rapid growth of population on the economic development of any region, of any country. Rapid growth of population. Dear students, when we see, when we read the information, or when we read the data that is collected on the basis of various population trends, rates, and graphs of different countries or regions, we see that population growth has a great influence on the economic and social status of a country. This we see. When we see the graphs, when we see the data, when we see the information regarding this, we come to know that population growth has a great influence on the economic and social status of a country. It influences the gainful utilization of the resources. In general, it has been observed that in the developed countries, where there is low growth of population, we see that the standard of living there is high. In countries with less population, where population is under control, the living standards are high. It is reverse in the underdeveloped countries, where most of the people are engaged in primary occupation like agriculture and mining. They have a low standard of living. So when we have controlless populations in our regions, in our countries, the standard of life comes to a lower standard as compared to that where there the population of a country is under control. There are also other reasons too, but this time we are discussing this aspect. This way, the standard of living of the people remains very high in such countries. We call them as developed countries. So, by this, we can say that the population growth, rapid growth of population influences, affects the economic development of a country in this way or that way. I think in this class, this is sufficient for you. I shared a very important point with you that how population growth, rapid growth of population affects the economic standard of any region, of any country. In previous classes, we have discussed so many things related to this, related to human resources, related to the population of any region, of any country, or on the world level. I think you will keenly and interestingly remember these things to prepare yourselves for the forthcoming examination, and you will keep this all in your mind and improve and flourish your treasury of the knowledge. I am leaving you this time. I will be meeting you in the next class. Take care of your health, of your environment in the present situations, especially. Thank you. Have a very nice day ahead.